Hello everyone, Sarah here at the York County Library, and we are going to take a look at Creativebug. We're going to see how to find new classes and also check out some classes that are new right now. So you want to go to yclibrary.org, go to the Research tab, and click on Online Learning. Scroll down and you will find Creativebug. When you click on this at home, it will prompt you to put in your library barcode number, but I'm already signed in, so it's going to come to the home page. On the home page, new classes are advertised. Right now, Creativebug is advertising their Slow TV. This is a new program that Creativebug is doing to encourage mindfulness and creative meditation. Under the welcoming message, I have View All Classes, which automatically sorts from newest to oldest. Here is Slow TV, and here is the description for the course. It has a preview at the beginning that lets me know what we're going to be getting into. With other classes, the instructor usually introduces what the class is going to cover and what you can expect to learn. I really enjoy Slow TV because the emphasis is on relaxing. Therefore, you can turn off the part of your brain that wants to get things correct and just have fun. Once the preview is done, you can get into the class. And I won't be showing you the whole thing, but as you can see, this is a very calming experience. You can't hear it, but there's just calming music accompanying the images of painting. So this is one of the new classes that you can take with Creativebug. I'm going to click on the Creativebug logo at the top, which will take me back to the home page. If I scroll down, I can see classes recommended for me, and also see where new releases are featured. Again, I can also view all classes. Looking at the new releases, Slow TV is at the top. And here I can start looking at new classes and upcoming classes. A few classes that have interested me in the new releases include this one. In this class, you learn how to create an embroidered patch. Each class comes complete with a list of materials, and in that materials list, you will find, if needed, a printable list of materials and a printable pattern. At the top, I've clicked on Classes, which takes me to all classes. This is automatically sorted from newest to oldest. Another interesting class on this page that I found interesting is this class, Making a Leather Cell Phone Bag. This is a craft that involves vegan leather, and it has a materials list that includes the pattern for the pieces you need to cut out to create your cell phone bag. Clicking on the back button, going back to all classes. Another interesting class is this one. This not only shows how to make soap, but also explores 3 processes of making soap: hot processes, cold processes, and glycerin-based processes. It also talks about how to package your creations, which could be of interest to anyone looking to start a small business in a creative way. Something that caught my eye was this class, which incorporates daily practice, so you can do several weeks worth of classes, or you can pick and choose the projects that you want to look at. This involves stamping, which I am interested in, and it's also 3 hours worth of content. It goes over 4 weeks and has some additional content at the end. All of the classes I've looked at are pretty heavily involved when it comes to materials and technique. So I wanted to find something that was a little simpler that I could take on the go. This class teaches you how to make friendship bracelets, which is something I've never done. I've also seen people make friendship bracelets into very simple bookmarks because of how flat they are. So this might be of interest to you. As you can see, the materials list is very short, with lots of options that aren't necessary. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you find something new to do at Creativebug.